you up. Well, let's go ahead and explain this. I was going pretty well. I was going very fast, missed my braking point, and completely bottled the race. It was either going to the barrier or cut the corner. I get the black flag, but I clearly didn't understand what the black flag meant. I ended up losing spots because I came in when I shouldn't have. The black flag rolled up is nothing but a warning. Good thing is that despite how I did, I was able to catch back up from last place to third place. And if I had one more lap, I think I could have gotten the first again. But man, these mistakes, they just keep coming and coming and coming and coming and coming. It sucks that I lose out to a flag call.
Man, what happened here, man? I thought my idol, man, was gonna literally.
You beat me though. There you go.
No, but it was good, man. At least you gave me some push. Like, okay, he's coming,
Well,
he's
you
coming
know,
for
I
me,
was
he's coming.
battling back, which is good.
That was good.
You really did. And you know
Really
what? What was really good about that? If that had happened to me, I probably would have overdriven trying to make up the spaces that I lost for the flag.
Right.
And you just.
No, it's just like be consistent. That's all I was trying to say.
That's it.
Be consistent. And then I got in a battle with one of the guys over there for the third spot. But I feel like if I just got one more lap, like if this was the 12 lap race, I probably would have caught back up to you. You know?
I was expecting, I'm like, when I pass you up there, I said, I know he's gonna pass me. He's gonna start somewhere here. So I had to hold it flat out and say, come on. So I'm listening to the cart, I'm like, okay. Now I got there, I'm thinking, let me see, maybe I can see the nose up here. And see anything, I said, okay, well, maybe. But it was good, man. It was a good race.
Yeah,
so
what I need to do is just memorize the flags. It sucks that I lost that race because of a flag mishap. You know what I mean? Like,
And Jarrett's going, it was rolled up. What's he doing? What's he coming in for? It was rolled up.
yeah, well, you know, it's what happens when you don't memorize the flags. You know what I'm saying? Like
maybe they'll come out swinging on the next race.
Yeah,
I'm sure
exactly. Oh well, what can I do? I don't know. Sorry, Jared. I completely forgot what the black flag rolled up meant.
You break my heart.
Yeah, I know. I break my own heart. It's frustrating, Jared.
I know.
Frustrating.
Hey man, I've lifted for white flags.
Yeah, we all gotta have those experiences, right?
Yep.
Question. I didn't finish last, did I? Because of the black flag?
No,
or?
you finished third.
Okay.
So you're gonna be starting P3 in the B main.
Okay. And the times determine your.
So the way I'm doing it, and I guess I didn't really announce that in the drivers meeting, but top two from heat 1 will start 1-2 in the A main. Top two from heat 2 will start 3-4 in the A main, and top two from heat 3 will start 5-6 in the A main.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, until I have a better way to organize it by time, that's where we're gonna go for. With the A main drivers. In the C main, starting on pole is gonna be Michael Kang. In second, Alex Pepino, followed by Jed, followed by Chris Todd, followed by Kyle Laws. C main drivers, if you heard your name, saddle up, find a cart, try and pick something different. In the B main.
What's that?
You're behind me at the start.
Are you in B?
Yeah, I'm B main, pull for B main. You're third. You got third, right?
Yeah. I thought you would be in A.
Yeah,
Chris
it's your turn to push me
R.
through.
Drivers,
Nah,
start
you'll
hopping
get it this
in.
time. You'll get it this time. Trust me. Just follow me through the first corner. You'll be good. You'll be good.
I'm gonna use you. We just gotta use each other for the first like 10 laps, and then we start back. Because we don't want anyone catching up.
Nah.
So that's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna battle you. I'm just gonna follow you all the way for 10 laps, and then on that 10th lap, we're gonna start.
See, that's the plan. That's the plan. Literally, if you just
I'm
stick on
being
my
dead
bumper,
serious, yeah.
if you stick on my bumper, no one's gonna get between us, and we'll go right through there like
That's
it's
the
nothing.
whole point. Create a gap and go.
Exactly. I'm gonna ditch this.
This is like Survivor meets go-kart.
It's fun though.
Alliances.
That's for sure.
All right, so I got the C main going out now. I'm in third position for B main. So that's actually the inside. That gives me a little bit better of advantage. Just got to follow with the guy in front of me through, and then hopefully we can work together and create a gap and just take off. So that's what we're gonna do.
Your race, you can beat him. Just like last week, same down, same route.
Full board. Alright guys, 12 laps. Keep it nice and tight, keep it slow in the corner. Go!
Down on you, down. Take Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then it vanish. I can't stand it. I don't know the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
But I was stuck in the past. Messed me up, I wanted to hurt.
told you that I don't wanna go back. Just afraid that I'll lose you. I don't wanna hide or waste another life.
Yo, good race, man.
Dude, that's tight.
I was trying to work with you to get there. As soon as I got, as soon as you let me through.
You just got me though, man. I'm like, what the?
Dude, you did great.
Yeah.
494, man. That's better than
quick.
mine, yeah.
It's quick. I mean, but now I know 48s are possible, so.
But at least you figured out that chicane over there. Helped, right?
Oh yeah, it did. Huge difference. Well, no, because yeah, I mean, you showed me like I can go a little bit wider there.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Following you definitely helped a lot because there are definitely spots where you're faster than me through there. So
after I bottled it for like 3 laps in a row, I was like, "Go, you go. Let's see if we can catch." Like I'm holding us up.
I didn't think you were running all that slow.
I felt like it.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah. When I let you pass, when you let me pass you, I'm like,
I think I was being
I was like, all right. The guy keeps going. I was looking up. The guy was just you could see him taking off, and we were closer and you were running ahead.
yeah.
So I was like, all right, let you go out and let me get behind you, and maybe we can catch up. And I didn't realize how many laps we had left.
Yeah, I didn't either. When I realized that, I was like, I'm like, wait, we're like way more than halfway through. Why are you letting me through now? I'm like, I want to fight you for this.
Yeah, that was my fault. And then,
Nah, you're good.
Overall, apart from the mistakes that I made, today was a pretty fun day. I'm glad I got it out. I'm getting better as a racer day by day. And what can you do? Anyways, if you guys enjoyed that, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you enjoy it, please go ahead and like and subscribe, do all that cool, fun stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the